In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a magazine cover in Canva. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along and create something stunning in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to open Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the website, navigate to the search bar at the top of the home page. In this search bar, you'll want to type magazine cover. This will direct you to a range of templates tailored specifically for magazine projects. Canva is fantastic because it offers a myriad of options, whether you're looking for something chic, bold, or simplistic. After typing magazine cover, you'll see a variety of options. Take a moment to browse through these selections. You're looking for a template that's close to your vision, but remember, you can customize these templates to fit exactly what you need. Once you find a design you like, go ahead and click on it. This will open a preview where you can see it in more detail and confirm that it's the right choice. Now that you've found the perfect template, direct your attention to the Customize this template button. Clicking on this button will open the editor where you can start making the design truly yours. Canva's editor is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to make changes swiftly and efficiently. One of the most powerful features in Canva is the ability to edit the text. Simply click on any text box within the template, and you can start typing. Change the wording, the font style, the size or the color to match your brand or personal aesthetic. This flexibility ensures your magazine cover is unique and eye-catching. With the text taken care of, let's move on to the background image. If the template's background doesn't suit your needs, you can easily replace it. Head over to the Uploads section on the left-hand menu to access images from your computer. Click Uploads, then select the image you wish to use from your files. This will add your chosen image to the Canva interface. Once your image is uploaded, click and drag it onto the canvas. Right-click on the image and a context menu will appear. From this menu, choose Replace Background. This action swaps out the existing template background with your new image, integrating your own creative touch seamlessly into the template. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a custom magazine cover using Canva. Remember, the beauty of Canva is that you can experiment with different fonts, colors, and images until your cover feels just right. Have fun with your design and don't be afraid to tweak and adjust until it perfectly aligns with your vision. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.